Welcome to our video on Reforestation Success Stories, Restoring Nature to Fight Climate Change. In this inspiring journey, we'll explore how reforestation is reshaping landscapes and restoring ecosystems across the globe. From understanding the fundamental principles of reforestation to showcasing success stories like Costa Rica's remarkable initiatives, we'll highlight the vital role communities play in these efforts, the wildlife that benefits from restored habitats, and the economic gains associated with green recovery. Join us as we also delve into innovative technologies and global campaigns driving the movement for a greener planet. 1. What is reforestation? Reforestation is the act of planting trees in areas that have lost their forest cover due to deforestation, natural disasters, or human activities. It aims to restore the natural environment and promote biodiversity. Trees play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also prevent soil erosion, maintain water cycles, and provide habitats for countless species. Reforestation is a key strategy in combating climate change, as it helps to reduce the overall concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. 2. Helps reduce carbon. One of the most significant benefits of reforestation is its ability to reduce carbon levels in the atmosphere. Trees act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and storing it in their biomass. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the overall amount of greenhouse gases. Reforestation projects worldwide focus on planting trees that can absorb large quantities of carbon dioxide, thereby making a positive impact on global warming. As more trees are planted, the capacity to sequester carbon increases, which is essential for a sustainable future. 3. Community involvement. Reforestation projects often involve local communities, creating job opportunities and fostering a sense of ownership over the land. By involving local people in tree planting and maintenance, these initiatives ensure long-term success and sustainability. Community involvement not only helps to restore the environment but also encourages environmental stewardship and education. Local knowledge about native tree species and ecosystems is invaluable in ensuring the success of reforestation efforts. Additionally, communities benefit economically through ecotourism and sustainable forestry practices. 4. Costa Rica's success. Costa Rica stands as a shining example of successful reforestation efforts. Over the past few decades, the country has significantly increased its forest cover through dedicated reforestation programs. The government implemented policies to protect existing forests and promote tree planting, resulting in a remarkable transformation. Costa Rica's commitment to reforestation has led to increased biodiversity, improved air quality, and enhanced natural beauty. The country's success story serves as an inspiration for other nations looking to restore their natural landscapes. 5. Wildlife return. Reforested areas provide essential habitats for wildlife, promoting the return of various animal and plant species. As trees grow and ecosystems recover, biodiversity flourishes. Animals find shelter and food sources in the newly restored forests, leading to increased species diversity. This resurgence of wildlife not only benefits the environment but also attracts tourists and researchers interested in studying these thriving ecosystems. Reforestation projects contribute to the preservation of endangered species and the overall health of the planet. 6. Economic benefits. Reforestation projects offer significant economic benefits, particularly in the areas of ecotourism and sustainable forestry. Planting trees creates jobs in tree nurseries, planting, and maintenance. As forests mature, they attract tourists interested in experiencing natural beauty and wildlife. Ecotourism generates income for local communities and promotes environmental awareness. Sustainable forestry practices, such as selective logging and non-timber forest products, provide long-term economic opportunities without compromising the health of the ecosystem. 7. Using technology. Technology plays a crucial role in modern reforestation efforts, making tree planting more efficient and effective. Drones, for example, are used to plant trees in hard-to-reach areas, covering large expanses of land quickly. These high-tech devices can disperse seed pods from the air, ensuring even distribution and successful growth. Additionally, satellite imagery and data analysis help monitor reforested areas, track progress, and identify areas that need further attention. By leveraging technology, reforestation projects can maximize their impact and reach their goals more swiftly. 8. Global tree campaigns. Worldwide initiatives like the Trillion Tree Campaign are ambitious efforts to plant 1 trillion trees globally. These campaigns aim to inspire individuals, organizations, and governments to take action in restoring forests and combating climate change. By uniting people around a common goal, global tree campaigns build momentum and raise awareness about the importance of reforestation. These initiatives highlight the power of collective action and demonstrate that everyone can contribute to a greener planet. As more trees are planted, the benefits for the environment and society become increasingly evident.